Hi, everybody. My name is Miss Hermes. I'm going to school at Mayville State University. Today, we are going to be learning together about the geography of North Dakota. First, I want you to take a look at this ice cream cone. What makes each of these flavors unique? They're all ice cream and they all belong to the same cone, but what makes each flavor different? You can pause the video for a quick minute and just think about what I asked. This ice cream cone is just like North Dakota. North Dakota is sectioned into 3 geographical regions. We're learning this information today to expand our knowledge and to get a better understanding of North Dakota. As we get started, I have some questions for you. Do you know what are the 3 geographical regions of North Dakota? Why do you think we would make 3 separate regions? What are some reasons that would separate one region from another? And what is unique about each of the regions? You can pause the video here and just take some time to think them over and answer them the best that you can. Now that we're back, the 3 regions of North Dakota are the Red River Valley, the Missouri Plateau, and the Drift Prairie, as you can see here in the picture. Each of these regions is very unique. They all differ in the size of the land, in the population of people who live there, the towns and the cities located within them, and even the quality of the land. So here are some resources that you can use today to help you expand your knowledge and learn more about the 3 geographical regions, and they will also help you complete our activity. So all 4 of these resources are from ndstudies.gov, but each resource will provide you with a whole different set of information. The first one will just go over all 3 of the regions and give you information on all of them. The second one will just cover the Red River Valley and give you a bunch of information on that. The third one is covering the Drift Prairie. And the final one covers the Missouri Plateau. Now, to get started into our activity, we're going to take a really deep look into the 3 regions of North Dakota. So we're going to use our resources to answer these questions. What is the population of each region? What are the large towns located in each one? How is the quality and the size of the land? And what resources does each have to offer? See if you can use your resources to help you answer them. You can pause here and do that. For our activity today, we are going to make an advertisement. We want to attract tourists to our choice of one of the 3 geographical regions of North Dakota. So on our advertisement, we want to include all of the information you just found, as well as any information that you think would make people want to come to that one region. Different forms of advertisements could be a flyer, a magazine or newspaper ad. You could create a script for a radio ad, or it could even be a billboard that you design. Be creative. So after you have made your advertisement, I want you to show anyone in your household the ad that you just made. Explain how the region that you chose is different from the other 2 and why tourists should come to this region. Share with them what you've learned today and have fun. Thank you for learning with me today.